Hi, I'm Heather Newman, and in this video series, we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Platform community, and how to effectively navigate and use the areas of the platform to connect, share, learn, and engage with other community members all over the world. In this series, we're going to focus on the Power Platform community. Each product has its own community and user group section. So throughout the series, we'll be moving around between the communities to show you how to leverage different areas of engagement. We'll start by taking a look at the overview to show you the community homepage, where we can find the latest news and announcements from the Microsoft Community Success Team, blogs, and forum discussions. Next, we'll dive into the forums, the heart of the community, and the place to ask all of your technical questions, as well as provide answers to community members seeking help. Moving right along, we'll check out the galleries, where community members share videos, customer stories, samples, and examples of how they use the Power Platform and Dynamics 365 in their everyday workday environment. Do you have an idea or a feature you would like us to implement in one of our products? Well then, head over to the Submit Ideas section of our community site. Let's check out the user group experience in the community. User groups are where you can connect with people who share your interests in Power Platform and Dynamics 365. So go ahead, join a user group in your area, or attend any worldwide group virtually. Once you find a user group that interests you, click Join and attend upcoming events. Finally, let's go to the community blog, where members of each community can post in-depth articles, tips and tricks, and guides. As a community member, you can comment and give kudos on each post. Also, if you connect your Twitter account, you can tweet a link to a post you like directly from the platform. I hope that you'll join our community success team along with other featured community members and learn how to get the most value from all the areas of the community platform. Check out the full series of videos coming soon for an in-depth look at the Power Platform and Dynamics 365 communities. Be sure to subscribe in your favorite community gallery to stay up to date on all the latest video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the community.